8 unique bike inventions that actually exist. Make sure to watch until the end because it's one of the most amazing videos I've ever seen. Number 8. Switch. The team behind Switch Kit calls it the smallest and lightest e-bike conversion kit in the world, and they might have a pretty good stake to that claim. The whole kit adds barely 3 kilograms, 6.6 pounds, to an existing bicycle, but gives it all the benefits of an electric bike. The kit includes all the parts necessary and fits nearly any bicycle outside of odd or specialty bikes with non-standard parts or frame sizes. Motor: 250-watt geared hub motor, 40 Nm torque. Top speed: 32 km per hour in the US or 25 km per hour. Range: 30 to 50 kilometers depending on user input and battery pack size. Battery: 36 volt 5 amp and 36 volt 7 amp options. Charge time: 3 hours. Number 7. Geo-Orbital Wheel. Winner of the 2018 Edison Award for Product Excellence. Featured in Forbes, Time, Popular Mechanics. Transform your ride. Convert your old bicycle into an e-bike with a 20 mph top speed, powered by a removable and rechargeable 36-volt battery. Fits any standard bike. Simply remove the front wheel of any bike and replace it with the Geo-Orbital wheel, and pedaling becomes completely optional. Goodbye flat tires. Special high-density foam tire acts and weighs the same as traditional bike tires without ever getting flat. Seamless unibody design. Created by a team of engineers from SpaceX and Ford, designed and built in Massachusetts. Number 6. Parkus. Parkus is a simple and smart bicycle lift, an alternative to the traditional bike rack. This bicycle storage solution offers a unique experience of an easy and simple space saving. During these tough times of the COVID-19 pandemic, we took all the safety precautions and continue to work and deliver Parkus lifts worldwide. Our main logistic partners, FedEx, TNT, DSV, reports deliveries delay 3 to 5 days. Its famous yellow color has made it the most recognizable and favored version of Parkus, made of anodized aluminum, painted and galvanized steel. Number 5. Revolve. The Revolve is a full-size 26-inch spoked wheel that can be folded to 1/3 its diameter and 60% less space and back again in an instant, and its commercial availability will offer new design possibilities for folding bicycles, folding wheelchairs, and many other vehicles that need to be transported in compact form. The modular Revolve 26-inch folding wheel was announced this week by German designer Andrea Mosselin, immediately threatening to become a disruptive force in the area of folding mobility. What Mosselin has achieved with his folding wheel has eluded designers since the idea of folding bicycles and wheelchairs was first conceived. Number 4. iTrack-It. Cycling is fun. Nothing should come between you and enjoying your ride. But everyone knows bike theft is growing and your beautiful machine can vanish in a flash. We want to help the cycling community feel more secure. Use iTrack-It and let us give you the peace of mind that comes from knowing where your bike is 24/7. Stay connected to your ride with iTrack-It, the first GPS tracker that works in frame. Guided by the legendary Condor cycles, we designed it to fit in all standard frames, be super light, and have a best-in-class 12-month battery life. Easy to install, you will receive anti-tamper alerts and can track your bike in real time via your phone if anyone messes with your bike. Number 3. The Unlimited E-Bike Conversion Kit. It's never been this easy to make any bike electric. Wireless pedal sensor means it fits on any bike without complicated wiring. Forget 36 volt or even 48 volt. Our proprietary fully integrated high voltage 52 volt battery is hyper efficient and allows us to pack the most mileage and power into the lightest package. No other e-bike comes even close. We monitor every parameter so you get the most torque and reliability. Turns on and off automatically. A multicolor LED button, our app dashboard, and optional standard on XR Plus display show all the stats like speed, distance, and battery. Integrated Wi-Fi means the system is constantly monitored while charging and updated to the latest and greatest. It will also notify you when the charge is ready to go. Does not need to live in a garage, made tough for the rigors of commuting. Number 2. Sentinel. The new Sentinel gets a bit of a bump in rear travel from 140 to 150 millimeters, but as with the previous model, it is still most suited to a 160 millimeter travel fork. Although, as with the new Scout Transition recently released, you have the ability to run different stroke length shocks that will adjust the rear travel. Sentinel can go down to 140 with the use of 57.5 stroke shock, and they suggest you match that to a 150 fork or just make a swap for a 150 air shaft. Along with a touch more travel, the new Sentinel gets a touch steeper seat tube angle, about half a degree from the previous version. Our size large test bike comes in at 76.9 degrees with basically the same reach as the previous model at 476 millimeters. Because the steeper seat angle put me farther forward, it's no surprise that a standout characteristic of this new Sentinel is its personality on the climbs. Most of the talk about short offset forks is related to cornering performance, but I've noticed a benefit on the ups as well. Number 1. Z-Lock. Remember the last time your beloved bike was stolen? Just like it was yesterday. You did lock it, but in vain. We hope to turn the tragedy around and create a carefree cycling experience. Z-Lock is more than a silent defender, but an active bike guard connecting you to your bike. Z-Lock offers active protection with fingerprint and smartphone keyless entry, always on theft alert, easy storage, and reliable smart features, all secured in a fold. Z-Lock is equipped with a 508 dpi high-res capacity sensing touch panel, which allows a safer and faster keyless unlocking operation. The low power consumption components means it's always ready for your next ride. What do you think about this video? Let us know in the comments down below. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time on the Finest Tech HD.